Showed up the other day, and this is what they look like. These things taste fantastic. They're like adult gummy bears. 5 grams of creatine in each one, and I think that's all they have. I mean, they do have a little bit of sugar in them. They're about 5 grams of sugar, but each like gummy is 1 gram of protein, like 1 gram of sugar. So actual serving size is 5 of these. That's why it's such a big container. When it showed up, I was like, man, I want creatine forever. This is a mixed berry flavor. They're really, I mean, they're so good. They're literally like a gummy bear, but they actually taste better. Distributed in Boston. They have American flag on them, which I like, obviously. No artificial flavors, no artificial, non-GMO, no gelatin, which I don't really care. Really what I wanted was the easiness, or the easiness of getting creatine into my diet. Not having to pour it into water. I don't like the salty or the sandy taste of creatine. So this really is just enjoyable. Also a little sugar in there kind of gives you a little bit of a kick in your brain. But yeah, this is the case. Normal creatine ones are like, this size. This is like double the size because I think it's just in a gummy bear form. They're awesome. I highly recommend them. They taste great.